With Whalebone API, you can integrate Whalebone into your own systems. This allows you to make use of all the advantages of Whalebone and make them complementary to your own monitoring or end-user portal. First of all, you need to create a new key. Go to the API keys configuration from the context menu. After a new API key is created, you will see all the necessary details. The secret for the API key will never be displayed again, so make sure you really copied it. You can always invalidate the API key. Just click the corresponding icon. We have a detailed interactive documentation for Whalebone API. Just click the icon in the API keys overview or go directly to apidocs.whalebone.io/public. The documentation will take you through different categories of information and settings with specific examples. The Event section contains all the information about threats, such as types of threats and domains. You can even model API calls directly in the documentation and use them right away. On top of that, the API contains certain information that isn't available in the Whalebone portal yet, such as the DNSSEC validation details. Naturally, you can access information about resolvers, such as latency, the health of resolvers, or the usage of system resources. Before you start modeling API calls in the documentation, we recommend authorizing it with your API keys. This will allow you to directly work with your account in the documentation.